Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 free mint NFTs. But before we're gonna do that, we're gonna take a look doing analytics. So let's look at OpenSea Marketplace daily volume. As you can see, starting May 15, we've been going sideways, and every day trading volume is 33, 42, and it's kind of staying in the same range between 30 and 40 million per day. So as you can see, we're still in the bearish trend. Everything is going just sideways, and same as cryptocurrency. So I'm not sure if we're still in the bear market or we're just entering bear market, but as you can see, everything as of right now is going sideways. Before purchasing into any projects, make sure to do your own research before investing any kind of money. So first project that I'm going to be talking about is going to be Monster Insight, and at the time of recording this video they have almost 8,000 followers on Twitter, and their total supply is going to be 8,888, and the price is going to be free, and mint date is to be determined, but they're planning in June. And if we scroll down a little bit, as you can see, there's some more information, and then they're doing more whitelist spots giveaways. And then we scroll down, you can see they're already collabing with some other projects like this one right here, so Kimi project. And then we can scroll more down, we can see, I guess they already had 8k followers on Twitter, but probably Twitter were cleaning up and dumping bot accounts, and maybe that's why they're a little bit under 8. And then another big collab is Illogics, and then there are more as well. So if you're trying to get a whitelist spot to get a free mint with this project, just follow them on Twitter. Make sure your notification is on, because Discord at the moment is private, and occasionally they're allowing people to enter their Discord, and you can still win whitelist spot here on Twitter. Or if you're going to be able to make it into their Discord, we're going to open up real quick. So they have Whitelist Lottery, and constantly they are opening up for 15 or maybe 20 whitelist spots, and you can just react with this emoji and you'll be entered, and in 24 hours winners will be announced. So this is another way how you can get a whitelist spot. And then if we're gonna take a look at their roadmap, so at this time they're not promising a whole lot, because they would like to have flexible roadmap, and the way everything going with the market, it's kind of hard to promise. But here are a couple future plans: merchandise, purchase land in the metaverse, secrets we can't yet disclose. So I wouldn't be surprised if they're planning something like their own ecosystem, maybe marketplace for merchandise, for whitelist spots, collabs, and all that other stuff. But this is just me guessing. I'm not sure exactly which approach this project is going to take. Then another thing, if we press on Monster Pass, so this is one of their Monster Pass that they are giving away or offering as like a whitelist spot. So Monster Pass is not an NFT, it's solely a visual representation that you hold whitelist for our project. We will personalize your Monster Pass with your Discord username and Twitter handle, date issue, and number assigned. There will be 500 made, and then as you can see right here, whoever holds Monster Pass will have 2 free mints on mint day. And then there are some other requirements that you have to do, but if you win through the collab giveaway or Twitter, and once you join their Discord, then you'll have a Monster Pass role on their Discord, and you'll be whitelisted for free mints. The next project I'm going to be talking about is Frens Alpha. So again, Discord is closed, invites only, and looks like this is free alpha group providing daily value for our members for free through closed Discord access, whitelist giveaway, NFT calls, and more. All channels free until mint. So most likely what's gonna happen, if you can get in the Discord, and even if you don't have whitelist spot, you can still have access to every single channel that they're gonna be providing, all the calls, whitelist giveaways, and etc. But once the minute is gonna happen, to access all those channels or alpha channels, you will have to have their NFT as a pass. And if we scroll down here, they're giving away OG or whitelist spots, and this is pretty old post. And then if we scroll down, there's one more recent one. So if you need to get on a free list to our alpha group, then just like, retweet, make sure notification on, and tag more friends. And this is one of the way how you can get into their group. So I think this project is actually amazing for somebody who is starting out with NFTs and you don't have liquidity to purchase like a alpha pass that's gonna cost a couple ETH or so. This is probably the best one to start out, and never know where this alpha group is gonna go and how far they're gonna be able to go in this NFT space. But I think would be amazing to start, and at the moment I'm not in their Discord and I'm not actually sure how many total mints they will have, but hopefully pretty soon they will announce. And the last project is Kaito. So Kaito is also free mint, whitelist, open currently, and again Discord is closed. So this project is created by Michael Chastain, and Michael Chastain, he's actually writer and actor. And he decided to create this project as a journey to end world hunger and give hope to hopeless. And again, Discord is closed. If we scroll down, as you can see, this is kind of one of their teasers. And they're partnering with different projects, doing collabs. So if you would like to get on their whitelist spot and get that free mint, then just follow them on Twitter and then participate in their whitelist spot giveaways or collabs. And they're actually collaborating with a big project like Trade Sniper. As you can see, they have almost 200 followers on Twitter. So that basically tells me if they're collaborating with such a hype projects like Trade Sniper, most likely this project is going to be hype in the future. And then if we scroll down more, again, another one, this one's pretty big one as well, 120 followers on Twitter, and they are promoting or collaborating with this project. So it's not too late to get another whitelist spot. Just follow them on their Twitter, like, retweet, leave a comment, and hopefully you can get yourself a whitelist spot. And by looking at their art, you can see they have similar style to one of the bigger projects out there in this NFT space. And this is pretty much it. I'm gonna leave links to every project that I talk about in the description below. And if this video was helpful, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube and follow me on Twitter as well. Thanks for watching.